Good morning, guys. How's it going out there? How is it going? Almost ready for another weekend. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Make sure you guys are doing your research out there, okay? Also, guys, if you want to join the Crypto Gem Hunters, click the join button down below. Get exclusive content, super early projects, get in on projects like Caspa, Taraxa, Space, and so on before they blow up. And yeah, microcap gems, things of that nature, AI, metaverse, gaming, layer ones, layer twos, smart contracts, and so on. Also, you get one-on-one video calls with me where we can talk crypto, look at your portfolio, help you create a plan going into the bull run about how you should be and when you should be taking your profits. That being said, guys, let's have a look at the market. BTC still holding up 28.6. It was 28.2 last night, so we're up from last night. Tarax is having a nice little almost 4% pump. HBAR's on a nice pullback, good DCA opportunity. Same thing with Algorand and Gala. Jasmy is up 0.1% on the day. Ooh, SEI network. Fantastic DCA opportunity. Look at that. Wow, definitely a good opportunity. If I'm DCAing this morning, guys, no, ICP is also a good DC opportunity. I'm going with SEI network, obviously. SEI network, HBAR, and probably Caspa and Algorand would be my DCAs this morning. Let's see what else is going on. KIR Finance, Jesse. We love KIR Finance over here, guys. Jesse's a very solid guy. It says Sony Mobility President Izumi Kawanishi outlined plans at the unveiling to encourage the development of apps and software by external developers. Quote, we will open the development environment in mobility, he said. The vehicle is equipped with a Snapdragon processor from Qualcomm and taps into the PlayStation network. I wonder how their personal data will be secured. Anybody got a guess? Anybody? Jasmine. Me thinking of new ways to get money just to buy Caspa. Guys, we are in an accumulation phase. This is how your mindset should be right now, not just for Caspa, but for your favorite cryptos, altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever. You should be trying to find ways like myself. Like I said, you guys know I take extra jobs on weekends, bouncing, things like that, to make that extra money to invest. The more and harder I work now, the less I will have to work come 2025. Tom Crown, Bitcoin rally. So as we see, we have the accumulation scheme. The Wyckoff presents a phase. And as you can see, it's kind of eerily following it here. So here we are in the little accumulation phase right here. If you're watching on your screen, that's where we are. And then what happens in phase E? Kapow. So are we getting ready to launch? Excuse me. Are we getting ready to launch into the January, February, March pump into the halving? That's what this would signify to me. Looks all good in terms of the Wyckoff. What do you guys think? Are we going to see a rally going into the January, February, March, and then we have the Bitcoin halving in April? What do you guys think? Is because that has been the normal 4-year cycle pattern. Let me know what you guys think down below. The season of the bear, tears is approaching. That's what you're going to look like for the next 2 years if you're a bear, 2024, 2025. Big things popping, little things stopping. What else is going on? Breaking at $10 trillion asset under management. BlackRock has filed an updated Bitcoin spot ETF application after the SEC feedback, which seems to be the pattern with all, I think, 8 to 10 spot Bitcoin ETFs. They're all updating their applications after the SEC feedback. Could this be a sign that we are about to see after these adjustments? Obviously, the SEC said something of significance for all of the spot Bitcoin ETF applications to be tweaking them and resubmitting them after the SEC feedback. Could this be a sign that we're about to see the approval? Let me know what you guys think. BlackRock is working with the SEC to get Bitcoin ETF approved. All right. Oh, super awesome. My page is not loading for Jasmine. Go figure, right? Go figure. Bitcoin halving 2024 historical trends and influencing factors. The Bitcoin halving event is a significant and eagerly anticipated occurrence in the Bitcoin space. This event, which takes place approximately every 4 years, has a substantial impact on the Bitcoin network and overall market. In this article, we will explore the concept of the Bitcoin halving event, its historical patterns, and the potential factors that may influence the upcoming 2024 Bitcoin halving. Let's get into it. Bitcoin halving is a pre-programmed event embedded in the Bitcoin network's code. It is scheduled to occur once every 210,000 blocks, roughly every 4 years, until the capped supply of 21 million BTC has been exhausted by the network, which, guys, still won't be for like another 100 years or something like that. During the Bitcoin halving, the rewards that miners receive for adding a new block to the blockchain is reduced to half. This reduction serves as a crucial mechanism to manage the issuance of new Bitcoin, effectively limiting the supply. As a result, if demand remains robust, this scarcity will drive up the Bitcoin price. The first Bitcoin halving took place in 2012, when the mining reward dropped from 50 coins per block to 25 Bitcoin. Subsequent halvings in 2016 and 2020 further dropped the reward to 12.5 and 6.25 Bitcoins, respectively. Increasingly, the next halving is expected in 2024, which will further reduce the rewards to 3.125 per Bitcoin per block. Historical patterns of Bitcoin halving events have historically exhibited certain patterns and effects. Supply reduction. The most immediate impact of a halving event is a reduction in the rate at which new Bitcoin is created. This reduction in supply often leads to increased scarcity, which can drive up the price of Bitcoin. Historical price surges. Previous halving events have been followed by a significant surge in BTC. The price, for instance, after the 2012 halving, the BTC price surged from around $12 to over $1,000. In late 2013, similarly, after the 2016 halving, the price jumped from $650 to around $20,000 in late 2017. Factors driving BTC price amid Bitcoin halving 2024. As Bitcoin continued to gain recognition and adoption, the significance of the halving event is expected to persist. While the event happens every 4 years in the past, and the past performance can provide useful insights, it doesn't ensure similar future outcomes. Each halving is uniquely shaped by the factors prevalent in the space or in that specific year. Here are some of the potential influencers that could impact the BTC price trajectory amid the upcoming 2024 Bitcoin halving. Sorry, guys, I have to keep pausing it to cough, so bear with me. Spot Bitcoin ETF application approval by the SEC. The approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF by the SEC could lead to increased institutional participation, positive market sentiment, and potentially higher BTC price, especially when combined with the effects of the 2024 halving. However, it's important to note that ETF approval is still pending and subject to regulatory consideration. And inflation. Bitcoin is sought as a store of value. Inflationary times, due to its decentralized limited supply, Bitcoin's price post-halving hinges on inflation levels. Rising inflation could lead to price declines, while persistent inflation may drive up Bitcoin's price after the halving. In conclusion, the halving is an important element in Bitcoin's growth, impacting its supply, price, and market sentiment. Its historical patterns provide a valuable reference for understanding the dynamics of the market, but investors should approach these events with a balanced perspective, considering the ever-changing landscape of Bitcoin spaces. And finally, what do we have over here? We got some Jasmy news. What is Jasmy Coin? Jasmy Coin is an ambitious venture initiated by the Internet of Things, the provider from Jasmy Corporation in Tokyo, Japan, designed to harmonize the dynamic digital environment of IoT devices with a robust foundation of decentralized protocols. Jasmy Coin introduces a secure platform that facilitates a seamless and trustless exchange of data, founded by several former Sony executives. Jasmy was built upon years of industry knowledge and technological expertise. The team, including Ando and Sato, and Yoshida and Hara, worked to develop an infrastructure that democratizes data, ensuring data protection and ownership. They wish to create a world where mechanical and digital elements, from computers and cars to smartphones, can communicate data effortlessly and securely. This is the heart of Jasmy's vision. Their mission goes beyond merely establishing a platform that bridges service providers and data users. It aims to restore the sovereignty of individuals' data by creating a potential infrastructure where personal information is not just protected, but owned by the user. Jasmy employs IoT technology in synergy with blockchain, the cryptographic technology known for its impenetrable security. This combination ensures users have full control of their own personal data. The mission isn't just to create a secure platform, but an environment that empowers users to use data easily, safely, and smoothly. By transforming information into personal assets, Jasmy intends to shift the current data paradigm and make it a powerful, personalized tool in the hands of users. Page is acting a little wonky, so you have to bear with me. How does Jasmy Coin work? Jasmy platform breaks away from the traditional approach of to data management and instead pioneers the decentralized workflow system. It's powered by edge computing and the interplanetary planetary file system, IPFS, a decentralized storage system that ensures data that ensures data securely and integrity. Sorry, got a little lost there. Jasmy operates by securely storing users' data in a personal data storage system. The user must first complete a registration and identification verification process to activate the Security Knowledge Communicator, SKC, which is Jasmy's core service. This provides the user with a personal data locker and an ID. Every interaction on the platform generates data stored securely in this personal locker. For any organization or company to access this data, they must have permission from the user. This concept extends to IoT devices, which are securely registered with Jasmy Smart Guardian Services. SG links user ID information to the device, creating an environment where only the device's registered owner can use it. Guys, this is what I keep talking about when I say Jasmy's at the forefront and they have first movers advantage with this kind of stuff. Imagine, like, take your smartphone right now, right? You can't even have a conversation around your smartphone right now about Burger King or whatever it might be without ads start popping up in your newsfeed and stuff, like, as your phone is listening to you, right? Your data is just out there in the ether, right? And being sold to the highest bidder. So what they're talking about here is that data, instead of being listened to and that data just being, pushed out into the ether, gets stored in your data locker. And then, these companies, if they want your data, they want to advertise to you, things of that nature, right? They need your permission. They need to buy access to your data. This is what I'm talking about when I say we're in the infancy phase of this kind of technology, guys. That's how early we are. So when you see someone saying, well, Jasmy's a scam, they're an imbecile. They're not even, they don't know what they're talking about, right? The potential for this type of technology is just off the charts, in my opinion, off the charts. Let me know in the comments if you agree with me. Jasmy market price and tokenomics. Jasmy coin serves as a primary currency of the Jasmy network. It is an ERC20 token that empowers the platform and plays a pivotal role in building the Jasmy ecosystem. Jasmy serves multiple functions, including facilitating transactions, paying for services, and incentivizing the growth of Jasmy's ecosystem. The total supply of Jasmy was capped at 50 billion coins. The allocation of Jasmy is strategically distributed to support the Jasmy ecosystem's growth, as 48% goes to the ecosystem fund, 27% goes to investors, 20% to contributors and the community, and 5% to an incentives program. As of now, Jasmy is ranked 138th by coin market cap with a market capitalization of 203.37 million. The current circulating supply of Jasmy coins is 48.69 billion Jasmy. Why do you invest in Jasmy? The strategic focus of IoT and data democracy positions Jasmy uniquely in the market. It is not just relevant, but essential in the world grappling with data breaches and privacy invasions. Its continued partnerships, particularly with Japan, coupled with the launch and innovative products and the development of its fan token, Seigen Tosu, for NFTs, highlights its commitment to growing and innovating. Jasmy's resilience and persistence highlight its potential as a good investment. The team's assurance to achieve significant milestones and the consistent development of a strong and innovative ecosystem can make Jasmy an appealing option for investors. Is Jasmy a good investment? Jasmy's appeal as an investment comes from its strategic positioning and commitment to growth and innovation. Despite the market's volatility, Jasmy coin has several promising features, including the expanding influence of the IoT and the source and versatile products Jasmy offers to manage private data. The project's ecosystem is still thriving despite some of the challenges it has to face. The Jasmy team's continued commitment to innovation and investments and invest based on your risk appetite. Oh, sorry, I skipped a line there. Commitment to innovation and their resilience work ethos make it a potential candidate for a good investment. It is advisable to diversify your investments and invest based on your risk appetite and investment strategy. So, guys, a little bit of a breakdown on Jasmy. Let me know what you guys think. Always bullish on Jasmy here, as you guys know. Smash a like, guys. Smash the subscribe button. I'd love to have you join. And also, guys, like I said, if you want to support the channel, join the Crypto Gem Hunters. Get in super early on projects, stuff like Caspa, Taraxa, and so on. And yeah, so do that. I kept it cheap for you guys, of $4.99 a month. And you also get one-on-one video calls with me where we can look at your portfolio, we can talk crypto, we can help you build a strategy and a plan going into the bull run. So definitely check that out. And it supports the channel. And why wouldn't you want to do that? Because you love me, right? So that is it for this one, guys. Again, smash a like, smash a subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.